Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. In this video, you will learn the good habits of the successful students. Follow the saying early to bed and early to rise. Wake up early in the morning before sunrise. It's a very good practice to wake up at 4 a.m. Spend max 20 to 30 minutes to refresh yourself. Brush your teeth daily twice in a day. You will have a lot of benefits like positivity, calmness, mindfulness, resourcefulness. You will have extra time during the day, quickness, full of energy, alert throughout the day, least distractions, and healthy body. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Plan your day. Write down at least 5 things you want to complete during the day. If you do not have already written goals, write down your short term and long term goals. If you have already written goals, go through them and see what progress you can make during the day to achieve your goals. If you do not have a timetable, create to-do list and schedule it. Create a study plan for any upcoming tests or exams. Write down your gratitude in the gratitude logbook. Your gratitude for the Almighty for providing one more beautiful day in your life. Say thank you to your beautiful body and its organs. Say thank you to the rising sun and the beautiful nature. Say thank you to the parents. Say thank you to the teachers. Say thank you to the Mother Earth, air, water, fire, and sky. Say thank you to all the people making difference in your life. Say thank you to all that you have as blessings in your life. Say thank you to the rising sun and the beautiful nature. Get direct sunlight in the morning and evening, at least for 10 minutes. By doing so, you will get vitamin D. Daily do exercise, yoga, meditation at least for 15 minutes. Perform focused deep breathing for 3 to 5 minutes. Read books. Listen to the biographies of successful people. Also, read or write as per your academic timetable and requirements. Homework, assignments, etc. Finish your homework assignments regularly. Read your favorite inspirational quotes. Have a good and healthy breakfast. Avoid junk food. Breakfast is an important meal of the day. So, eat breakfast like a king. Also, take 3 meals in a day. Your clothes should be clean and neat. Always speak the truth even if your voice shakes. Care for everyone around you. Don't use abusive language against anybody. Don't shout at anyone. Talk politely and respectfully. Be kind to everyone around you. Go to your school or college on time. Manage your time efficiently. Respect your parents, teachers, elders, and everyone around. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Help the needy person. Help your friends. Care for everyone around you. Be kind to everyone around you. Share your things with the people around. Avoid distractions. Practice concentration. Do one at a time. Studies have shown that multitasking is physically impossible. Before you get down to work, remove all distractions. Visit doctor regularly for checkup as required. Wash your hands before and after your meals. Comb your hair neatly and daily. Care your hair regularly. Keep the toilets and surroundings clean. Wash your eyes regularly. Clean your ears regularly. Keep your body clean. Cut your nails regularly. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of pure water per day. Be honest, don't steal. Practice walk the talk and talk the walk principle. Be a trustable and approachable person. Practice integrity, patience, and generosity. Talk positive things. Visualize your growth at least thrice a day. Build your skills such as communication skills, reading, writing, and speaking, presentation skills, public speaking skills, interpersonal skills, negotiation skills, persuasive skills, and influencing skills. Discover your passion. Discover your inborn talents or skills. Discover what gives you maximum joy. Discover what makes you blossom. Discover what you want to be in life. Discover what you want to do in life. Follow your passion. When your passion becomes profession, you will become unstoppable in your life. Learn new things every day. You can learn something new every day if you pay attention. You can learn from nature, parents, teachers, friends, elders, youngers, children, animals, birds, books, by seeing, by listening, by doing. Successful people learn new things every day. Earning is the byproduct of learning. Keep learning, do new things every day. Learn and improve on your life skills every day, such as critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, problem solving, effective communication skills, interpersonal skills, management of stress, managing emotions, self awareness, and empathy. Learn and improve on your life skills every day, such as relationship skills, integrity, taking initiatives, friendships, respect, curiosity, perseverance, patience, sense of humor, cooperation, organization, flexibility, taking responsibility, taking accountability, and personal growth. The personal growth in terms of self motivation, working towards vision, working towards your goals, planning and developing skills, learning and training, boosting creativity, etc. Making a plan for what you are going to do and when you are going to do, it will make sure you are always ahead of the curve. Studying isn't fun to begin with, and forcing yourself through studies will only make it worse. Breaking down a big task into several smaller ones, dividing your work into manageable pieces, and rewarding yourselves when you finish each chunk will make studying enjoyable journey. Whenever possible, do your regular homework at the same time and place every day. Have good sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. Don't underestimate the importance of having good sleep. Good sleep will sharpen your focus and improve your brain memory. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Do you work better right after your school or college or after you have eaten dinner? Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Take notes during the classes or self studies. Use the formula SQ3R. What is this formula? This is to improve on reading. S is survey, Q stands for questions, R1 stands for read, R2 stands for recite, R3 stands for review and revise. Traditionally, we read a book from first page to last page. But the survey means you quickly go through the contents first. Quickly turn the pages and see the important headings, subheadings, sections, subsections, definitions, diagrams, charts, tables, key terms, etc. What is the use of doing this? You will have a map of the chapter in your mind. Now, you will have a clear idea about the contents of this chapter, what I am going to read, and where I am. This is what the survey S stands for. Traditionally, what the students do is first study the chapter, then try to answer the questions. But the educational psychologists say that this is completely wrong. Why is it wrong? Do you know why people learn? What is the motive power behind learning? The motive power behind learning is curiosity. How can we create that sense of curiosity? Whatever the subject is, first you go to the questions and then read the chapter. While reading the chapter, you will also remember the questions. Now, you will not read the chapter mechanically. Now, you are discovering, you are seeking the answers. This is more powerful mode of learning. So, questions first and then study, not the reverse way. Next R stands for reading. How do you read? Active reading. What is active reading? It's like mark, underline, comment, or take notes, or read loudly is active reading. Next R stands for recite, means after reading some contents, you mentally recite them so that you can remember important key points. When you close the book and recite, you may not remember certain contents or key points. Then you will open the book and revise. This revise stands for R3 in the formula. Find a place that will maximize your productivity. Look for places away from television and other distractions. Find a study group learning that will enhance your learning process. Spend time with like-minded people whom you want to learn from. Ask questions to get better clarity and to validate your understands. If you don't understand something that was taught in school or college, clarify your doubts on that same day. Discover your role models. Try to be in touch with them directly. Else, research on their works. Consistently implement your learnings in your life. Use physical calendar or an online one like Google Calendar. Work on your most challenging task when your mind and body are fresh. This is the best way to build your courage and develop self-confidence. This is to face your fears. Do not procrastinate your tasks. It's a bad habit you need to avoid as it hampers your progress and growth. Take regular breaks, at least one in every hour. Don't let your TV channels or social media like Facebook, WhatsApp control you. Manage your time efficiently. Spend few minutes reflecting on the day gone by. Learn from your mistakes, learn from others' mistakes as well. If you want to shine like a sun, first you have to burn like a sun. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.